Water is normally considered to be mineralized or demineralized. The three basic ways that you would demineralize water are distillation, reverse osmosis, or deionization. We're talking about reverse osmosis water versus standard tap water. And reverse osmosis is very much demineralized, where tap water is generally very mineralized. The minerals in the water can precipitate out and cause hardness scale, damage to plumbing, appliances, many things. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take our U.S. Water TDS meter and I'm going to measure the total dissolved solids, because the total dissolved solids are what makes water mineralized. This is the tap water, and we're going to put it in, and it says it's 319 TDS on the tap water. Okay? 319 parts per million of total dissolved solids on the tap water. The reverse osmosis water is 35 parts per million. So it's about 90% demineralized. This is a residential under-sink RO system. If you go with a commercial one with a booster pump, you could probably be down to 0, but 35 parts per million of total dissolved solids is considered to be pretty good water. Now, let me ask you a question. Do you think that water conducts electricity? Most people say, well, yeah, absolutely it does. So I've got a light here, and it's not on because there's 2 electrodes in here that need to be connected. And so I could take this end out, and you could put your finger in there, and that might connect it, but you might not like those results. Or I could put it down in the water and see that light come on, because that must prove water conducts electricity, right? Well, not so fast. Let's go in the RO water. You see it's faintly glowing as compared with the other water. If that was totally demineralized down to 0, like with distilled water or with a commercial RO system or with deionized water, then there would be no light at all. But we have a little bit of light because there's just a little bit of total dissolved solids in there. A little bit of total dissolved solids are good. They give a little bit of taste to the water, doesn't make it taste flat. So no, water does not conduct electricity. It's the junk, the contaminants in the water that conduct the electricity. The cations, the anions, the total dissolved solids. That's today's science lesson, boys and girls. Have a great day. Cheers.